Have you ever thought na nasa sales ka na and medyo pagod ka na mag-reach out sa mga tao, sa mga prospects para bentahan sila? Then you might wanna consider learning how to do media buying. Opo, yung pagraran ng ads pero hindi sa Facebook lang. I have a question here from Ja. Anong niche po yung pwede? Working po ako sa sales agent sa corporate world for over 3 years. And I guess 3 years is enough for you to realize na it's really hard to sell. It's hard to sell something to people na hindi mo naman kilala. And so with that, you have to identify ano nga ba yung iba mong pambagay na pwedeng gawin na pwede mong gamitin sa corporate work mo but at the same time pwede mo siyang i-offer as a service bilang freelancer. And that's where PPC comes into play. Think about this. You're presenting your product in front of people na hindi mo kilala pero hindi mo kailangan magsalita. You just let the ads do the talking for you. Sales is all about perfect timing, right motivation, but natutunan ko kay Dina na you really have to show up in front of your audience, of your target market multiple times before they even buy from you. Doon tumutulong yung ads. At doon pumapasok yung iyong experience as a sales agent. Kasi alam mo na kung paano kilitiin sila eh. You know how to pique their interest. Alam mo na kung paano ibenta yung product. You just want to be able to reach more people. Kaya nga lahat ng businesses ngayon globally, they're running ads. They're tapping dito sa tatlong side ng businesses which is owned, earned, and paid. At kung ikaw ay aspiring freelancer tapos gusto mo na mag-transition talaga or gusto mo nang matry, then media buying is for you. So pag-aralan natin yung Google, Meta, kung kaya pa YouTube and TikTok, I think natatap din. So we have this PPC class that's coming up. Again, 999 pesos lang siya. Kasama na yung 2 weeks na internship. After that, we'll have our application book session. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-apply. Pagkatapos, you'll have your final activity. Pagkatapos ng mock interview nyo or yung one-on-one nyo with me, that will be the time na isa-certify namin kayo. If you guys are interested to ko lang, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko, tapos hindi gumana yan, copy and paste lang sa browser. I-open na yan itong page na to, tapos i-ano nyo lang pataas, hanapin nyo yung nakasulat na open classes, ayan, open classes, tapos hanapin niyo PPC Media Buying Virtual Assistant 999. Pag-click nyo nun guys, lalabas na yung form, nandun na rin kung saan nyo ipapadala yung bayad at kung ano yung i-fill out. Sa Instagram naman, ito yung kiklik nyo. At pag di gumana yung TikTok at Instagram, punta lang kayo sa Facebook, tapos hanapin nyo tong video na to, makikita nyo na sa caption yung link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. Make sure na basahin yung buong form ha, kasi nakalagay na rin doon yung pinakang training schedule, yung verification ng payment, tapos you guys will receive a calendar invite pag malapit na yung mismong class. If this helps, comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!